Hi there, welcome day 3 of my little walking challenge. I was going to show you, I want to show you my, this is where I do my campo shopping. Not in the house you can see behind me, but from their tree. Get nice lemons from here, and then let's go with permission. Don't steal them, don't worry. But it's amazing what the campo provides. Behind me you can see some avocado trees, and again, people down here campo wise, as long as you don't steal, they give you permission to take 1 or 2. You can enjoy when you get home, which is really nice. Hang on, let me just find a spot. Here we go. It's very similar to when you're working online, you know, because if I want to try some avocados, I can try them for free. And if I want to try, email marketing or affiliate marketing or video marketing, whatever, want to learn it, you can learn it for free. And then, of course, if you want to take it a step further, you will have to pay for upgrades and things like that. But, if I wanted a whole case of avocados, I'd have to pay for them. So, anyway, just my thought for the day. Hope you enjoyed a little stroll through the avocado plantation. And as we're none here, I'm just going to go and pick that lemon on the way home, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Thanks a lot for joining me. Oh, and I should have a shout out for Matt, Sovereignty Legacy, I think he is. Thank you, Matt. I hope for your message that I inspired you. I'm really pleased about that. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to seeing what you do. Cheers now.